Welcome to English House. Let's enjoy the third dialogue between Bea and Eddy.
The Messy Burger Joint. Bea and Eddy are at a fast food restaurant. Eddy is very happy.
I love this place. I want a big burger and fries.
Eddy, this place is so messy. Look at it. There are no clean tables.
But the food is so good, Bea.
And the menu is too big. There are too many things. How do you decide?
It's easy. I always get a burger.
They walk to the cashier to order food.
Hi, what can I get for you?
I want a large burger, please, and fries.
I want a salad, please.
Bea looks around the restaurant. She looks unhappy.
This place is so slow. We've been here for 5 minutes.
Bea, it's okay. The food is always good here.
And why is the music so loud? I can't think. Do you want honey for your salad? Yes, please. Okay, and we have a new special burger today. It's very good.
Bea stops talking. She looks at the menu for a long time.
How big is the special burger?
Bea?
Okay, I also want the special burger, please. And fries.
Yes! I knew it! You love this place!
I don't love this place. I just love burgers.
That's the same thing, Bea.
It is not the same thing, Eddy.